Guys, and welcome back to the Carbon Connection. Thanks for joining in today. We're back at Seelo Performance, and of course we have some big things happening today. But before we get into that, I want to introduce you to Seelo Performance, who is the official tuner for the build. And we're going to get some information from Dillo, or Adil as I know him, the owner of Seelo Performance, and he's going to let you guys know a little bit about the company and where they've started, where they are, and what they've gone through.
What's up guys, Tial from Seelo Performance here. Just a huge thank you to Mr. Yasser Ismail from Carbon Connection for giving us the opportunity to work on his E92 N54 335. Yasser has been modifying cars for quite some time, and it is with great pleasure that we start today on the beginning of his build. But we'll get there. Let's talk about who we are and what we do. So this company started in 2015, being petrol heads ever since we could walk. I got tired of sending our cars to workshops and different tuners and mechanics and technicians who charge us exorbitant amount of money and didn't deliver on our vehicles the way we'd like it to. So my brother Imran and I sat together one day, and we had this idea that perhaps we should modify our own cars and take the passion and turn it into a business and a family. So yeah, I truly believe at Seelo Performance you get something that you won't get anywhere else, and that is passion on a level that we can't even explain, because we practically bleed horsepower. So yeah, we hope to give Mr. Yasser Ismail exactly what he wants out of his car and more, and blow his mind and exceed his expectations. So keep watching guys, and let's see how it goes.
Okay guys, now that Dillo has introduced himself and you know a little bit more about his company, I'm going to leave a link to his Instagram page in the caption below. So if you have any needs for car mods, car maintenance, car services, or you want to hit the dyno, they have an in-house dyno, find out what your car is making power-wise, please hit them up and they'll obviously gladly assist. And like he said, he's ever ready to make you part of the family.
Clean crack, yo. Clean crack, dude. It wasn't even on. It wasn't even sitting on a throttle body. And look at that shit, yo. What? I mean, like, I don't know. I'm trying not to be vulgar because I know we... but I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. This explains all your boost leak issues. Explains your engine light situation.
Successfully fitted upgraded elite charge pipe from Burger Motorsport, dual cone intake from Burger Motorsport, and Tial blower valve. Yeah, we're just going to put it on the dyno. Just remember that you ran 193 kilowatts stock standard before carbon clean, and with a very, very damaged charge pipe. So yeah, let's see if she'll boost them what you can put down.